We are camping in the mountains of Tennessee, and here is a waterfall. As you can see, people down there at the bottom. Little waterfall. This man will be throwing it down to that man down there, and we'll see if we can do this. We've tried in years past and have failed. All right, here we go! He got it! He caught it! Yes! Yes! Oh, yes!
There it is.
Yes! Yes! Oh yes! Yes! In your face!
All right, here's attempt number 3. Josh McCubbin on the top of the waterfall, Jonah down at the bottom.
You've never seen extreme until now.
It's rolling.
I'm sorry.
He caught it! Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Hold on. All right, you ready? Here we go. Josh.
Here we go. Oh! He was about to sacrifice his body.
Oh.
I want it!
That was gorgeous.
All right.
There we go.
No! How close? Oh my gosh.
No mercy. None. At all. None of it.
Don't do that. That's freaking me out. Just a 1 foot can slip.
The hammer!
Oh man.
Because the hammer goes down.
It could, but there's no accuracy at all with that thing. Maybe a little bit, but you haven't even done a practice. All right, are you ready? All right, here we go. He got it! He caught it! Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! He dropped it at first.
Oh!
Did he have? Did he drop it at first and then catch it?
He dropped it.
Oh man, I would have kicked him in the pant.
He went all over. He like.
What?
I think that random guy has a camera out.
Oh, does he really?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Jonah? Okay, you're good.
I think you should come over to that rock. You see that trees in the way?
Hey, Jonah!
Go to that rock.
Go over.
That rock, the big one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Here we go.
Ready? Here we go.
Dang.
Yeah!
Okay, hold on. All right, ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This man will be throwing it down to that man down there. All right, are you ready, Brooke?
Are we ready?
Okay, hold on. All right.
Well,
On. All right. Here we go. All right. Ready? Okay, you're good.
He was right there.